what I'm going to do now is to show you applying the same exterior grade solvent-based material for a smooth honed Indian sandstone, quite porous, and you'll notice that it will go really quite dark at first, but then when it dries, and we'll take a photograph of the dried version to add to the video, that it goes quite dark now, but then when it dries it will become quite pale, but it will still be relatively dark. So this is something you have to be very much aware of, that when you want the highest performance, then sometimes the stone can change colour, and you have to make a decision then. Again, starting in the middle, spreading the sealant out. Notice how it's absorbing strongly, and you have to apply it quite quickly to avoid some areas getting too much. And then you remove the excess from the blade and then unify the result with the applicator. And with this type of stone, it's usually very fine textured stone. It's usually better to even the result out with a cloth. Just wiping it gently to even out any streaks. And then that dries to a dark buff in this case, but when the sealant is cured, it will be a lot paler. But it will still be darker than the original, and it will still show the natural characteristics of the stone, like the veins here and the colouring here.